the ramp, here he goes.
Welcome to the Backyard Shenanigans YouTube channel.
What's up, dudes? Dudettes. We're out here today. The Freedom Factory. It's back here. You can't see it right now. And they got a, I forget what, the Tour of Destruction or something crazy. They got a bunch of different stuff going on. They got school bus races, cars with like trailer races, I think a figure eight. There's gonna be like a stunt show or something like that. So let's check it out. Looks like they're gonna have a side-by-side race. That'll be cool. Oh, look at that thing right there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, a little two-barrel carb on there. All right, dudes, we got Tadpole out here. That's him right there. Getting his bad boy dialed in. Here's the trailer race tonight. Got a little John boat on there. Yee.
Okay, so just getting the word from race officials, this race is going to...
Dude, it's reverse race going on right now. This is crazy. I don't know what to expect with these races, guys. This is insane.
Your phones ready. Here comes Chris as he is headed for the ramp. And oh no!
He faked us out.
Down towards the ramp. Here he goes. And the ramp, Chris lands on all four wheels.
Oh, he's okay. All right, so this is the flagpole race where they're gonna do like a roundabout around this tire right here. Here we go. All right, guys. So the school bus race is coming up now. Quite a few school buses out here.
On the Freedom Factory.
Face
spreading out. That's when things are going to get crazy. You can already see them going 3 wide on the speedway. Here they come. Section is only going to yield.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. It was a pretty fun night. They way more intense than I thought it was going to be. You know, the first race, the enduro race, where they like set up cars like in the track, pretty awesome. And I think that was probably my favorite one. I didn't really dig the side-by-side stuff, but I mean they're ripping. But you know, just all in all, super cool. Gonna do it again tomorrow, so stick around and hopefully we get some more action, guys. It's pretty intense. So thanks for watching. Slam that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next video.